Hey everybody, okay, so just in case anybody's wondering, today is going to be no makeup ponytail Thursday. So for any of you that didn't know that's a thing, it's a thing. Just take my word for it. So this should be get ready with me because I look so scary, but I've actually got on jeans. I was trying to get my leg up here to show you. You don't see me wearing jeans real often, but I'm wearing jeans and one of my old t-shirts because I'm going to be painting it a little bit, but I got to show you what I'm going to paint first. I know y'all think that that I should be painting my bedroom right now, but I don't know why I'm not. I don't know why I keep putting it off. I've got to get our bed painted. I've got to get our my husband's nightstand painted. I've already got mine painted and they don't match, but we're going to see how that works. I need to get my mirror, my stand-up, what do you call it, a shovel mirror? It's not a shovel, it's a cheap ass mirror, but it stands on the ground, so I got to get that done. And we're waiting to get our new carpet in, and I got to paint the bedroom. And what am I doing anyway instead of that? I'm just sitting around with my thumb up my butt. I don't know why. Ever since I've retired, I've kind of become a little bit of a rebel. I mean, I do exactly what I want when I want to. So anyway, but I got really bored yesterday, and I had watched a video of one of my ladies that I subscribe to, the Painted South, and well, first off, she is the most beautiful woman, and she has the most beautiful home, and her whole house is done in French, old country French. It's really pretty. And she had gone to Hobby Lobby. They were having a big 75% off sale on just a bunch of their crap they want to get rid of. And she had gone and bought some stuff, and I thought, how cute is that? So it made me decide I needed to do the same thing, because I need, on either side of our big windows in our bedroom, I've got some wall space that needs something. And she did the cutest thing, and since I can't ever really conceive of anything by myself, I always have to see somebody else do it, and then I'll do it, put my own little spin on it. Anyway, she had gotten this stuff and did some really cute stuff, and I thought, well, I think I'm going to go to Hobby Lobby. And so I did, and I looked around. There really wasn't a whole lot left in their 75% off, but there was one thing that I wanted, and it was the exact same thing that she had done. So I'm going to show you this. They were 75% off. They were regular. Each one was regular $27.99, which no way in the world would I have ever paid that for it, because I think they like to mark everything up way more than it's worth. So then they can do the 50% off, and you're getting them for about what they're worth. Maybe you might be getting a deal on some of it. But anyway, here is the first one. Isn't that beautiful? Whoop. Blossom's barking. Y'all excuse me, I will be right back. I've got to go let the dogs out. Be back. Okay, so I'm sure the second that I get going real good in this, she's going to start again, and I'll have to go let her in. But anyway, here it is. It's just a little lattice. Y'all want to see me? It's just a little lattice thing. It's a good size. I would say it's probably 18 by 18. And on the inside, it's got the letter I. So when you look at this, you're going to realize that doesn't go with my room at all. And the letter I stands for absolutely nothing in the whole wide world that has anything to do with our family. But I'm going to transform these, and once I transform them, I will show you. Now the other one, I did get two of them. They're both just as pretty much ugly as the other. Now this one, the G, we could possibly use because my grandma name was given to me by my first grandson. Of course, that's the way it always is. And he couldn't say grandma, and so he would call me Gunga, G-U-N-G-A, Gunga. That's my grandma name. That's what all the little kids call me, my nieces, nephews, everybody, except y'all call me Gunga. So anyway, I could use the G, but I'm not. Now you know that the room is going to be shades of gray, black, white, and red accents. So I bought these beautiful gray flowers, bought 2 of them. They look like, they're not peonies, maybe zinnias. And hold on, gotta let Miss Blossom back in. Okay, well, I let Miss Blossom in. So anyway, gray giant zinnias, and as we all know, there's no such thing as a gray zinnia, but you can get them at Hobby Lobby. And they were 50% off, so the 2 of them were $6.99, which is ridiculous, but that's just the way it is. I'm going to show you a few of the little doodads that I'm going to be using to redo these. I'm going to use Waverly ink chalk paint, or I might use white. I haven't decided yet. I possibly will be using this pattern vellum. I'm not going to tell you how. And then, you all know me, so I've got diamonds, and so how could I do something cute in our room without using diamonds? Look at the sparkles on these. Let's see here, let me get them over here so you can see them and see the sparkle. Aren't those beautiful big old diamonds? So anyway, I'm going to do you a favor. I'm not going to make you watch me do these. I am going to work my magic with them, and I'll be back in a little bit to show you what they're going to look like, and we'll see if we like them or if I totally messed up. So I will be back in a little bit and show you the finished product. Okay guys, it has been, oh my gosh, a couple of hours, and whew, I'm looking haggard, but we got it finished. First thing that I want to say to you is, if someone ever comes to you and says, hey, I know what would be fun, and you say, what? And they would say, let's paint some lattice. What I would like for you to do is throat punch them. Oh my gosh, it was so hard, but you saw what it looked like before, and I'm not one of these DIYers. I don't think that's ever going to make you watch me DIY anymore. I'll show you how it starts, and then I'll go away and I'll do all my stuff, and then I'll come back and show you how it turned out. So anyway, here we go. You remember what it looked like before. Here is what, oh, that's the back. Painting lattice, how fun. Look at this, how cute. And yes, there are, whoop, 2 of them. There's this one and this one, and they'll be going beside the windows. And I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer so you can see the one little touch I added here. The, let's call it the 60-something style touch. Can you see it in there? Can you see it sparkling? Oh yeah, baby, got to put a little glam on there. Now what I did, let me tell you what I did here. Let's put you back out. Of course, I painted the lattice black. And then I came in, and if you remember, it had a One of them was an I believe, the other one was a G. And then there's this real ugly little piece of vine stuff on there. So I painted all that, and I painted it a chalk paint called Silver Lining, I believe it is. And what it is, it's just a light gray. And then I had these this diamond wrap from the Dollar Tree, and I thought, oh, that'll be pretty. And with the light gray behind it, again, let's come in and look at it. With the light gray behind it, it just looks so pretty. And then I decided, I had thought about the flowers, our fake gray zinnias, which we know in real life there is no such thing. I thought about maybe putting those in a vase on our new bedside tables. But then I thought, you know what? I'm going to put this in here. So I gobbled it up good. But, okay, now what I told you before, these were, each one of these little lattice things, before I did anything to them, were regular $27.99 each. There is no way in hell to the hellfire that I would ever have paid $27.99 for those. They were on clearance 75% off, so I got each of them for $6.49. The flowers were each $6.99. They were 50% off, so I got the two of them for $6.99. So 3 times $7, $21, about 21 bucks. And just a little bit of time and effort, I got what I think is some really pretty artwork to go up in our bedroom as we're redoing it. So I hope that that may have given some of you an idea of different things you can do. Just take what you've got around the house and, you know, just play with it. DIY stuff. Make you some cute stuff. I love doing it. I may not be the best in the world, but I enjoy it. So for right now, I guess that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this little thing today. Don't know if you did or not, but if you did, give me a thumbs up. And you'll see in probably about a week, 2 weeks, when I get finished with our room, you'll see these actually in the setting that they're going to be in. So, like I said, if you enjoyed this today, if you would give me a thumbs up. If you're watching for the first time, welcome. If you are a current subscriber, thank you so very much. I appreciate you being here more than you'll ever know. And if you are not subscribed, please do. And when you subscribe, hit that little bell icon, and it will let you know every time I upload. I typically upload once a week. Also wanted to remind you about my other channel, which is my morning devotional every day, 60-something devotional, if you'd care to join me there. And I guess that's about it for this day. I look tired. I am tired. I'm wore out. Look at this mess. So, anyways, you can tell I love laughing. I will talk to you dudes and dudettes later, so y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.